3 fag 2 food week dog 12 spliff a roll for the day when me feel calm. But if me no feel calm, do the maths real fast. Vibes kitchen at the place where me speak on. Cook give me on any boy. Me can't get the right food no matter how me try. Vibes of the recipe, everything me like. A mad thing when still I make the fire light. Me pocket fully charged, touch the road our time. Lace up me clocks, food fast, brain paranoid. The YouTube channel active, you fit.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. For this video, I'm going to be making some peanut and plantain porridge. But before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Alright, so to make the porridge, we need all-purpose flour, cinnamon, vanilla, salt, raw peanuts, green plantain, evaporated milk, condensed milk, and of course we need nutmeg. Alright, so in my blender I have about 1.5 cups of peanuts, my green plantain. I'm going to add my evaporated milk, and I'm also going to add 2 tablespoons of flour. So in a pot you're going to add roughly 2 cups of water, and to that you're going to add some salt, vanilla, and some cinnamon, and you're just going to bring that to a boil. And just a heads up, this is what your mixture will look like after it's blended. Alright, so now that the water is boiling, I'm going to go ahead and add the mixture, and I'm making this on medium heat. And after you add the mixture, you're going to have to stir until it starts to boil again. So from here, I'm just going to cover it and allow it to cook while stirring occasionally. Alright, so it's not as thick as I want it to be, so I'm going to add some flour and water mixture, and this will help to thicken it. As you can see, it's a lot thicker than what it was before. Alright, so now porridge is done cooking. We're going to sweeten the porridge. So the first thing I'm going to do is grate some nutmeg. And I'm also going to add some condensed milk, and then I'll just mix. Alright, so from here I'm going to taste and add more sweetener as needed, and you're just going to sweeten it to your liking. Alright, so I'm going to add a little bit more salt and some more condensed milk. That's perfect.
Vibes kitchen are the place where me there now. We get the nicest food when the fire out. The pepper hot, God know what a bread